Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of this Prevail Cutler Nutrition Prevail Rush. The flavor is cotton candy grape. If you've never had cotton candy grape before, you're in for a treat. Taste, I will say, anytime I like to do a review, it's pretty subjective. So cotton candy grape may not be for everybody, but if the old grape flavor is of your liking and you're a fan of cotton candy, you can't go wrong with the old cotton candy grape. That's all well and fine. Personally, it's all subjective, but personally I could care less what it tastes like unless it tastes absolutely garbage because when it comes to pre-workouts, most people are going to consume for what is in it. So we got 750 milligrams of alpha GPC 50%. I have absolutely no idea what that means. 2,000 milligrams of NO3-T. Don't know what that means either. And then 4,000 milligrams of L-citrulline. That is something that I was paying attention to, and maybe that's important to you as well. Again, all the specs on this are in the listing. A couple other call outs are beta-alanine at 2,000 milligrams. And from a pre-workout stimulant standpoint, there's caffeine anhydrous, 300 milligrams. So on your pre-workout caffeine, let's just say tolerance, this is on the higher scale of the old stimulant pre-workout stuff, as people like to say. And there's a whole bunch of other things that come along with it. From a review standpoint, though, a couple things. If you're looking for something and you're looking for a pre-workout to kind of get you going, this will do the trick, especially because it's on the higher dosage standpoint. From a stimulant standpoint, taste is, in my opinion, fantastic, just because, can't go wrong with cotton candy, and unless you just don't like grape. This is a good all-around flavor. And sometimes pre-workouts or just any kind of supplement, mixability is not all that great, but as you will see right here, mixability is fantastic. A couple old, and most folks I think are going to go through and put this in maybe a shaker, but as you can see there, it is a nice, good, mixable pre-workout, not grainy, dissolves quite nicely, and because it tastes great, you can't go wrong. So if you're looking for a good overall pre-workout that has some good flavor behind it, Cutler Nutrition really can't go wrong. Prevail Rush. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.